Hey, it's Ann Alexander with Exit Coast Real Estate Pros here in Myrtle Beach. We're going to start diving into your first-time homebuyer questions. So stay tuned and let's get rolling. Hi, welcome back. This is episode 9 of my first-time homebuyer series, and I'd like to thank you for being here today. I just wanted to take some time today to kind of recap what we've learned over the last couple weeks. We were given a lot of information from my 2 lenders that I interviewed. And again, thank you so much to them, Rachel Pitts with U.S. Mortgage and Ed Bocchino with Movement Mortgage, both here in the Myrtle Beach area. They told us about the 4 different kinds of loans, and I just wanted to recap that with you. So the first one is basically the traditional loan, which is called the conventional or conforming mortgage. That is what most home buyers think of when they think of home loans. The term conforming means that these loans meet the guidelines established by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Conventional loans are not guaranteed by the government, and some conventional loans target first-time homebuyers and require a minimum of 3% down, or as little as 3% down. You can always put down more. The second loan, again, is the FHA loan, which is insured by the Federal Housing Administration, and that allows down payments as low as 3.5%. The third loan is the USDA loan, and that is guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. And those are for the rural home buyers and usually require no down payment. So there are several areas here in Myrtle Beach that qualify for that, or wherever you are, you can check into that as well. The fourth one is the VA loan, and the VA loan is for our current and former military members, and we would like to thank you all for your service. And this loan is great because it actually requires no down payment. So my suggestion is to talk to at least 3 lenders to see what they have to offer, different rates, and that kind of thing. So it's always good to kind of get a couple of different opinions on that. When you do go to speak with a lender, in the description below, I am going to put my mortgage document checklist, so that way you are prepared and are ready to go, and they are going to be so happy with you. But, there's a lot of different options for you out there as a first-time home buyer. So, take some time to check those out. All right, so going forward with that, you again still need to understand your budget. So if you haven't seen my video on that, go back to my playlist, and it's on like third or fourth week that we did that. And then also, is your down payment ready? Do you have that? Or are you really close to it? So if you've got all of those things in place, then you're going to want to take that next step, speak to the lender, and get pre-approved. And why is it important to get pre-approved? One, it's easier for me and me as your realtor. I don't want to, go out and show you properties that are like $300,000, and then you fall in love with one, and then we go to the lender and find out that you're only qualified for, let's say, $225,000. So, you get your hopes up, and all of a sudden you come down and crash. So I always, with my potential clients, I always have them get pre-approved. That way we both know we're both on that same level, and we both know exactly what you're pre-approved for, and there aren't any disappointments. So that's extremely important. Another, which is a good thing to do too, is that when you do find the property that you want, having that pre-approval letter signifies to the seller that you are ready to go, that you are, serious about, putting in an offer, and, you've done the homework, if you will, to get yourself to that point that, you're ready to put an offer in. And, they're going to take you more seriously than if we say, oh, well, we have to talk to the lender, and, here's the contract, but we need to still talk to a lender. And, that's just a lot of disappointment all around. So the pre-approval letter is extremely important for you and for me as your realtor. It gives us more buying power, if you will. So those are some of the main reasons why, at this stage of the game, you need to speak with a lender. You need to get that pre-approval letter. All right, so I think we're good. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of recap what we were talking about in the last couple of weeks. Please like and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of the next episodes. And I just really appreciate you all taking the time to join me each week. And I look forward to seeing you again next week. Have a great one.